Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Resang Training Center. Today I am going to discuss a technical topic about clinical research. So let's start with the topic. Clinical research refers to a branch of healthcare science that involves studying and testing the effectiveness, safety, and potential benefits of medical interventions, including drugs, devices, treatments, procedures, or behavioral changes. It is conducted on human participants and can involve a wide range of activities from understanding disease mechanisms to assessing the impact of medical therapies or lifestyle interventions. The primary goal of clinical research is to gather data that can improve medical knowledge and that help that help develop more effective methods for preventing, diagnosing, and treating diseases. Key aspects of clinical research. Phases of clinical research. Preclinical phase. Before clinical research begins, preclinical studies are performed using laboratory models to test the safety and biological activity of treatment or drugs. These studies help determining whether the compound is safe enough to be tested on humans. Phase 1. The first phase of clinical trials typically involves a small group of healthy volunteers. Researchers evaluate the safety, dosage levels, and side effects of a new drug or treatment. Phase 2. This phase focuses on testing the drug or treatment on a larger group of people who have the condition or disease the intervention is meant to treat. It helps assessing efficacy, side effects, and optimal dosage. Phase 3. In this phase, the intervention is tested in large, diverse groups of participants to confirm its effectiveness, monitor its side effects, and compare it to existing standard treatments. Phase 4. The post marketing surveillance or phase 4 occurs after a drug or treatment has been approved for general use. This phase monitors the long term effects, effectiveness, and safety in a broader population. Types of clinical research. Interventional studies. These involve actively administering a treatment or interventions to study its effects. Randomized controlled trials are the gold standard in clinical research, where participants are randomly assigned to receive either the experimental treatment or a placebo to compare outcomes. Observational studies. In observational studies, researchers observe participants without intervening or administering a drug. This type of study can help identify correlations or associations between the factors like lifestyle choices and health outcomes. Methodology. Randomization. In clinical research, randomization is used to reduce bias by randomly assigning participants to different study groups, example, treatment or versus placebo. This helps ensure that the results are not influenced by confounding variables. Blinding. Blinding refers to keeping participants, researchers, or both unaware of which treatment a participant is receiving to prevent bias in treatment administration or outcome assessment. In a double blind study, neither the participant nor the researcher knows which group the participant is in. Control Control group. Control group in a clinical trial is the group that does not receive the intervention being tested or receives a placebo or standard treatment for comparison with the experimental study. Ethical consideration. Clinical research involving human participants is subject to strict ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure participant safety, informed consent. Ethical committees, institutional review boards, or ethics review boards must approve study protocols before they can begin. Informed consent. Participants must be fully informed about the nature of the research, potential risk, benefits, and their right to withdraw from study at any time without penalty. Confidentiality and privacy. Researchers must protect participants' personal data and ensure their privacy is maintained throughout the research process. Importance of clinical research. Advances in medicine. Clinical research is essential for the development of new therapies, drugs, medical devices. It leads to breakthroughs in treatment for diseases such as cancer, diabetes, infectious diseases like HIV, AIDS,